so tired. Need to hide from the cold. Oh, is that a house? Wow, another one. But it's got a price tag. And this? No way. That's a whole mansion. I could never buy that. Guess I'll just stay here. Hey! Guess who's ready to buy a house? Ew, gross. Let's see. Huh? Hi, welcome. Yeah, whatever. Oh, this house is mine. Cool. Oh, what's happening? Step aside. High class has arrived. So cool! Stop staring. Step away from the property. Hey, careful! Whoa! Cute little house. I'm buying it. Sold. And I'll just stay. I've got a ton of cardboard rolls. How can I use them? Oh, I know! First, fold them like this. Press the creases real good. Nice! Now let's start drawing. Gotta keep the lines sharp. There. Done! Now cut it out. Time to paint. Paint the edges well. Make a few more and paint them too. Bright colors are perfect. Now bend them round again. Flowers done. Love relaxing outside. Beautiful. Just need a fence. Nice. I've got an idea. Hey, can you make feather-like flowers? I think I can come up with something. First, put a skewer on plastic. Draw patterns with hot glue. Keep them close together. Now grab silver dye, paint it, and peel off the extra plastic. Nice. Gimme! Let's see. How cute! Huh? This is unacceptable! Servant! Look at their flowers. I want some too. Got it. These plastic plates should work. Stick them together and paint. Like that. Looks good. Ooh, ma'am, it's ready. Wow. Love how the gold goes with pink. Nice. Windows ready. Ooh, how dare she! Money's no problem. Ooh, I get it. Now for the mosaic. Add glue. Lots of it. Like that. Wait for it to set. Add the frame. Make sure there's no gaps. Perfect. Now install it. There. Done! Wow, so chic! I like it! Ow! Who threw that at me? Wasn't me! Take my money! Please don't hurt me! I'm watching you. No! Oh! I got the house dirty! Oh, now what? Wait! I can paint the whole house red! I'm so smart. Ugh, this'll take forever. Need this lipstick bigger? Come on, grow. It worked. Nice. There. Much better. Like this. Perfect. How to match the house to the dress? Ta-da! Plus, now I can kiss it all I want. Let's see. I think I know what to do with this cardboard. First, draw a circle in the center. And shapes like flames. Looks like a sun. Nice! Time to cut. Now give it some color. This yellow is perfect. Add more paint. There! Now paint the rays. They gotta be as bright as the sun. Done! Looks awesome! Best house decor ever! Let's See how the sun shines when I make it rain! Allow me to cover you. Relax. This button makes golden rain. Ma'am, your house is gold now. Ooh, love this color. Look at that beauty. Wow. Show off. How else can I decorate? Oh, I know. Let's start by drawing patterns like this. Careful, no rushing. Now over to this side. Patterns from roof to floor. Ta-da! Wood effect! Hey, look at that! Wow, that's epic! Really? Thanks! My roof's too plain. Got it! Hello, I need balloons. Whoa, fast delivery! Come here. Let's tie you to the roof. Perfect! Oops! Maybe I used too much force. Servant, I have an idea. I want a soft roof. Understood. First, add a pillow. Then a blanket. Should work. Done! Wow! I could sleep here forever! Let's toss some seeds on the roof. Grow that greenery. Nature at its best. Is that a rooftop garden? Looks pretty good. Whatever. Ow! Ah! Stop! What the heck? Actually, these cups could be useful. Hi-ya! Nice! Now lay the bottoms like this. And we've got a path. Cool! Ta-da! I'll show them a real path. Just melt some gold. Done! Oh yeah, nothing beats gold. Watch and learn. And here too. What? Ugh! I can make a fancy path too. There, try to top that. Selfie time! Girls, I think we're finally done! Yay! Nice! I love it! Neighbor hugs!
You two need to calm down. Take these. Ready for some gold versus silver?
I guess.
Whoa! Where are we?
I have no idea.
Look, it's a challenge. A challenge I'll definitely win.
That's what you think. Okay. Gah!
What are you so scared of?
What's going on?
I don't know, but I'm digging it. Time for some magic.
Exciting!
I could use a little refreshment. Wow. Whoa.
No way. Now me! Well, these look pretty good too. What a copycat.
Watch out for that dragon! Look!
Hold on. Where?
I'm just gonna take this little guy. Let the hair makeover begin. So pretty, right?
I think he got scared. Wait, not cool, Mira.
Gold, gold, and more gold. I'm gonna be rich. Huh? Nice to meet you too.
Thanks! Looks like real gold to me.
No way. How'd she get that?
Boom! New hair. Who dis? What, you jealous?
Ugh, whatever. I don't even care.
Hey, look! We did it!
My hair's never looked better.
I know, right?
Well, should we see what's next?
I don't know.
It's our faces.
Okay then.
Yep, I know just what to make. Makeup for days. Wow. So many options. How about… Ta-da! All done!
Okay, my turn. Huh? Oh, come on. Just work. Do it! I said do magic, you stupid stupid wand!
Wait! Calm down. Just be gentle, see?
Got it. There, nice and gentle. I did it! Now I just have to put it on. Oh well.
I'll help.
Huh? Wait, where'd it all go?
I don't know. Weird, right?
I'll try it one more time. Come on, just fix it. Thank goodness. I thought I lost it all for a sec. I need a clean slate. All natural. But not for long. I need clean lines, people. This spoon will help. More glitter, perhaps? Good as gold, baby. And next, some warm, rosy cheeks to match.
What?
This helps me stay in the lines.
What on earth?
I almost forgot the lips. Ah, gorgeous. Do I look good or what?
I guess we both did all right.
Yes! Noodles? Wow.
Are you kidding me with this?
Hey, my shirt!
Huh? I'm sorry.
Well, it's okay, I guess. On to the next. Well, now what?
A new fit? I'll take care of that.
No way!
I just love shopping. Don't you? What's the vibe? Hello, Sparkle.
Wow, that looks great on you.
No, this is my rack.
There's plenty.
I don't share clothes.
I may as well do some shopping while you're gone.
Excuse me.
Whoa, looks like I've been caught. Never mind, got what I needed.
You are so annoying.
Annoyingly fabulous. You agree?
I'm not talking to you right now.
Whatever, this fits fire.
I'll just press it. Oh, come on.
Looks like it's our shoes this time.
Yep, I think you're right. Let the magic begin. I got something. Wow, oh my goodness. They're gorgeous, don't you think?
Just 1 second. Gotta grab my wand. Where did I leave that thing? Bingo! Found it! Phew!
Hold it.
What?
The bird, up there.
What kind of bird?
Like I care. This is gonna be so good.
Look at these! All for me? How exciting! Not the vibe. Something better in here? Definitely not. Perhaps third time's a charm? Pretty please. Oh yeah, now that's it. Simply perfect.
They're fine, I guess.
Nailed it. Oh! Play to press it?
Sure.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Gotcha. My turn.
Jewelry. Silver and diamonds? Wow, it just keeps coming. I can't wait to get my bling. A bunch of coins? Do-over. Now, please. Where are my jewels?
It's here, silly.
What do you mean?
Come on, use your brain. And this cauldron.
I see. Just drop them off for a little swim. I think they're ready.
Feels good to sparkle, doesn't it?
I'd say so.
Yep, nailed it yet again.
Let's do it.
Okay, now what?
It's a mic. I know what to do with that.
Yeah, me too.
Wow.
What does this have to do with a mic?
I know. Watch.
Wait, what's happening?
Seriously?
Earplugs, anyone? Please stop. Me now.
My brain hurts.
Well,
Call it even?
If I have to.
Deal.
Let's do it.
Yes!
We actually did it! Look at the score!
Uh-oh.
Looks like we're back. Oh, back already?
Gold and gorgeous!
Silver and stupendous! I'm so proud of you guys! Selfie!